You're going to be amazed at how easy it is to roast vegetables. This is a super tasty way to use up what's in the produce drawer as well. You'll need about 8 cups of vegetables. You can use anything, really. Broccoli, carrots, onions. The recipe is very forgiving, so you can use almost any vegetable. Keep in mind that some vegetables take longer to cook than others. Sturdy root vegetables like potatoes or carrots will take a little bit longer to cook than something like broccoli. So we're going to cut those hardier vegetables smaller in order for everything to be done at the same time. I can prep many of these vegetables like onions or peppers in advance. Some veggies come all ready to roast, like sugar snap peas or carrots. I don't mess with cutting those at all, I just toss them in the bowl. I also like to take advantage of other shortcuts, like buying sliced mushrooms or broccoli that's already cut into florets. All this makes healthy eating easier. Here's how I roast vegetables. Today I'm going to use sugar snap peas, sliced onions, sliced peppers, broccoli florets, sliced mushrooms, and baby carrots. I also need olive oil, salt, pepper, and dried herbs. Today I'm using basil. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Combine all the vegetables in a large mixing bowl. Drizzle the vegetables with olive oil and season to taste with salt, pepper, and the herb of your choice. Toss to combine. Transfer the veggies to your prepared baking dish. Spread them out evenly. Slide the pan into the hot oven and roast them for 30 to 45 minutes or until tender. They may brown in spots, and that's all good. These veggies are delicious. Hot, warm, cold, as a side dish, as part of a salad or a bowl meal. Make a big batch so you can enjoy them in your lunches all week long.